In this video, you'll learn how to curve text in Google Docs. Even though Google Docs doesn't have a built-in curved text feature, we'll use a simple workaround with a free design tool so you can still get that curved text effect in your document. Stay with me, and by the end, you'll be able to create clean curved titles or labels that look professional. First, it's important to understand that Google Docs itself does not offer a direct option to curve text. There's no button, menu, or setting inside Docs that will bend or arch your words. Because of that, the trick is to create the curved text somewhere else, save it as an image, and then bring that image into your Google document. One of the easiest tools for this is Canva, which is a free web-based design platform. So start by opening your web browser and going to Canva. If you already have an account, sign in. If not, you can quickly create a free account. Once you're logged in, create a new design. The exact size doesn't matter too much, but using something like a standard document or a custom-sized canvas with a horizontal layout usually works best because it gives you room to see how your curved text will look. Next, add your text. Look for the text option in Canva, usually labeled something like text in the sidebar. Click to add a text box, then type the words you want to curve. This could be a title, a heading, or any short phrase. At this point, you can also choose your font, adjust the size, and change the color so it matches the style of your document. It's easier to do all of that before you apply the curve effect so you can see exactly how it will look. Now, with your text selected, look for the Effects option. This is typically shown above the canvas when the text is highlighted. Click on Effects to open the Text Effects panel. Inside this panel, you'll see a variety of options, and one of them will be Curve. Click on Curve to apply a curved style to your text. When you apply the curve, you'll see a slider or control that lets you adjust how strong the curve is. Drag the slider left or right to change the curvature. Sliding one way will create an upward arch, and sliding the other way will create a downward arch. Take a moment to fine-tune this. Think about where the curved text will go in your Google Doc and adjust until it looks balanced and readable. You can also resize the text box or reposition it in the design to give it more space. Once you're happy with the curved text, it's time to download it. Click on the download button in Canva, usually at the top right. Choose an image format like PNG or JPG. PNG is often a good choice because it keeps the image clear. If you want a transparent background, make sure that option is selected if available so your text can sit cleanly over any color in Google Docs. After the file downloads to your computer, switch over to your Google Docs document. Place your cursor where you want the curved text to appear, then go to the Insert menu, choose Image, and select the option to upload from your computer. Find the image you just downloaded from Canva and insert it into the document. Once it appears in Google Docs, you can click the image to resize it, move it around, or adjust text wrapping so it fits neatly with the rest of your content. And that's it. Even though Google Docs can't curve text on its own, using Canva to create and download curved text, then inserting it as an image gives you a clean and effective workaround.